A presidential decree of 11th July 2019 appoints Professor Mbuh as Pro-Chancellor to the University of Bamenda. He replaces Professor Mbuh Dominique, who held that position since September 2011. A minute of silence is observed in his honor during the installation ceremony.
May his soul, once again, through the mercy of God, rest in perfect peace.
In Bamenda to commission the newly appointed was the Minister of State, Minister of Higher Education, Professor Jacques Famindongo.
It is on this note of trust, confidence, and advice that I solemnly declare Professor Mbuh Stella installed as the Pro-Chancellor of the University of Bamenda.
The 66-year-old Professor Mbuh and son of the Northwest is asked to use his professional experiences to serve the higher education system through the University of Bamenda.
I ensure that the strategic development plan of the university exists and is properly approved and executed. Oversee the vote of the budget and ensure that its execution scrupulously and judiciously respect the laws and regulations of the Republic. Endeavor to advise the Vice Chancellor on the regular payment of all categories of persons and see to it that man-made delays are reduced or completely eliminated.
The ceremony took place at the university's hall. The institution's attendance has been greatly affected by the Anglophone crisis. The Minister of State, Minister of Higher Education calls on the newly installed to collaborate with all stakeholders in ensuring students study in a conducive environment.